am I following? Following over.
Good people are dying over this.
Kenobi brings
Oh,
the
he's
death
that.
sticks.
You just fucked him up.
Kenobi brings the death sticks.
Oh, he's over here.
Oh, Dooku!
I'm getting choked out again!
Fucking choked out! Oh shit! With this
Try to cut him off.
horn.
Ah!
Cut him off! Try to cut him off!
He's won! Dooku's won! Come on! I'm faster than you, Dooku!
Over me.
Good exercise for some of the Padawans.
Darth Vader's got
Dooku, I'm
blue.
faster than you!
Yeah!
Oh! There you go!
Oh, I'm gonna save that.
Okay.
Oh, I'm getting choked out. See you guys later.
Oh, bye!
Why does every Sith character need to pull instead of push?
Except Darth Maul, there you go, that's the one push guy.
No!
The boy is dangerous. Why? Because his mom's a whore.
Because I slept with his mom. Obi-Wan.
Obi-Wan. Oh. I just had to.
Listen.
I had to. You seen it? The only piece of ass on this planet.
And besides, it's not like he's just sitting there. Besides, it's not like she could say no. I already paid her owners.
You ready? Better run home, Eddie. Storm's coming.
Spot on. Oh, that was spot on.
This is my favorite line from the movie. How
Is Count Dooku in Battlefront 2 yet?
How would you shoot?
He's been there from the start. Oh no, he hasn't been there from the start, but he was added in like a little while ago. That's awesome.
Yeah, so like the opposite from the
Yeah,
start.
what Dark just said.
Bro, tell him to unmute us, big dumb.
Mimi Dark, Mimi know everything.
Tell who to
Let's
unmute.
give it a shot.
Tell Dum Dum to unmute us.
What?
Someone has me muted. Whoever you're talking to.
No one
What are you
has
talking
to-
about?
I'm talking to Tristan.
I was
he
gonna
has me
say.
muted then.
I thought he muted me and Chucky
you
because we were
hear
playing Smite.
Dark,
That's why I assumed it was
Travis?
Chucky too.
Nani.
My brain hurts. Will,
Travis,
make
do
him
you
stop.
have that muted?
Oh, stop.
I hear everyone. I don't have anyone. muted.
Yeah,
Well,
Travis
then it's
totally
that
has
type
me
here.
muted
No
because
one
I was
has
agreeing
that. No, I
with
said
Travis and
Tristan.
his T-Rex.
I can hear
But
you.
Tristan
damn
can
it.
hear me, and I can't
No
hear
one's
Tristan.
muted. Look what you started, Dark.
I'm asking Tristan if he has me muted or not. If not, it's the party.
Tristan, do you have him muted?
Because I can't hear Tristan.
Shut up.
We can all hear
Just
you,
answer
Dark.
his question, Tristan.
I'm not going to. because
Tristan, do you have
No.
him muted? Yes or no? Thank you. That's all you have to say.
You're making this so difficult for no reason.
God
just need to know
damn.
I'm not
I need
gonna
to
answer
fucking
this
fix
stupid
my-
question.
Fucking crap or not, dude.
Good times, good times.
He's asking
guys are
me
a
if I
riot.
have him muted. Okay, yeah,
Yes,
like,
we understand.
like he'll hear me answer
What do you
him.
mean you understand? I can still hear him
I'm
through
not gonna-
somebody's mic.
I'm not gonna.
It's through your own mic, that's why. You don't have
I can hear. He sounds
The
like a fucking mouse through someone's mic. I can hear him through Chucky.
Okay, I want both you to look at your party. Maybe there's a net type
I'm
issue.
staring at it right now, and it's not
There's
flashing.
definitely.
I will take a
there's
picture
no
of it if
that type
needed
issue.
to prove that I'm not.
The funny part is, Darth, he's actually replying to everything you said and is mocking you, so he's hearing you just fine.
Okay, hang on. Bitch.
Oh,
He's
my
got me muted, guys, I swear. What the fuck is he talking about?
I can't fucking stand him. He says, I'm asking Tristan if he has him muted. Like, if I had him muted, it would be fucking done.
This is really
That's what I
fun
was
just for no
see
reason.
that. Okay, I was asking because this has happened before, where one person can hear the other person, but it doesn't go back the other way.
I know, but you said I'm asking Tristan if he can hear me.
He said,
No, I'm
like, look at
asking
everyone else
if
said, no,
Tristan
you all
can
shut
hear
the
me."
hell up. I want to hear it from his mouth.
I want to hear it from the man that muted me.
I was asking if Tristan muted me. I said somebody ask him. And then he just heard me, which is where it started being confusing.
Oh my god, Anakin.